Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Marianne with Suri Styles. Today I will be doing this beautiful eye look. Thank you for joining me. My goal for this January is to post every day, so you being there is supporting me to show up every day this month. So thank you so much. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share, leave a comment, and just be of support. Thank you. Make sure you leave a comment if you want to learn more. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment. Let's jump right into this look. Today, I'm focusing on the eyes of this look. So watch me create and achieve this very beautiful, soft eyeshadow look. I started with putting concealer and I'm just blending that concealer in. Now I'm going in with some powder. And this powder is just going to help the concealer set. It's just going to set the concealer and have it ready for the eyeshadow. For this look, I am going in with my Juvia's Place palette. This is the Mascara palette. I am using this beautiful dark orange color on my eyelid. I'm just going to saturate that as much as possible. So if you notice, I'm mostly blending in circular motions because I want to be able to spread it nicely and evenly. And then I'm staying really close to my eyelid. I'm not dragging it far up to my brows too much. So keeping it really contained. Now I'm just, with not much product left in the brush, I'm just sweeping up and having it blending towards my brows. So I don't have a lot of products. That's why you see it has that like faded kind of a beautiful looking transition. So now I'm going in with this shimmery color. This is a silvery color in that Mascara palette. I'm just starting to apply that really close to my eyelid. I don't want to take it up too far, just right away. I want to really contain it and just take it up slowly but surely. This helps you to have a lot more control over how much eyeshadow you're putting on and how far up you're taking it. Now I'm just sweeping up every fallout. Having some powder really helps with the fallouts. So now I'm taking that same color that I use as a transition color to the bottom of my eyelids, and I'm keeping it as close to my waterline as possible. Now that that's done, I'm sweeping up every fallout. Now I'm going in with my Inkblot Cosmetics liner. I'm going in as close to my waterline as possible. just to keep it really contained. Filling up every space that looks like I haven't applied it to. Now I'm using that same Inglock Cosmetic liner at the top of my eyelids, and I'm keeping it as close to my lashes as possible. Now I'm just using a sweeping motion to put it in to have a good transition, so I can have an actual wing. Now I'm just going in with this glitter from Colourpop. I've already applied some right at the line between the transition color and the shimmery color. I'm just reapplying some more. I know the line is not straight, but I'm not gonna try to fix it and ruin it, so it's just gonna be the way it is. Now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty mascara. Because I don't have a lot of lashes on my bottom eyelid, I find that doing it in this motion usually helps me to make it look thicker. And sometimes I'll even use a lash primer if I didn't have like this much dark liner under my eye. I'll use a primer and then that before going in with the mascara, because that would really help it look and show like my eyelids have longer hair. Now I'm just going in with my lashes. Just reapplying some lash glue here. I'm just going back to emphasize that same transition color that I'd used on the eyelid, because the powders kind of faded it away. I'm just using the fluffy brush to sweep out any fallouts. And then that's it. That's the final eye look. Please leave me a comment below if you like this. I look forward to making more of this kind of videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.